The risk section is divided 50-50. One is the business risk. I mean, I have a lot of items on business risk since I believe in killing the stress test in the company. And the other part's emotional. Some of the business risks, for example, is, let's say, is a company, I'll tell you a recent example. If you look at the potash players, you know, probably know what happened. If you look at Potash Corp, if you look at Uralkali, essentially, one of the items in the checklist for business risk is, okay, is this company the lowest cost price producer? And Uralkali was the lowest cost producer, and they had special engagements with some of the agreements in the Eastern Europe and Russia, right? So what happened was they actually dropped the potash price as being the leader, cost leader, and being the market share leader from a certain level to a level that you just can't compete with. I mean, it was ridiculous. Some of these companies that are highest cost producers, especially in Europe, I mean, they were just absolutely clobbered, right? So again, business risk. If you go to the business risk in the checklist, there's an item called, okay, where is the company in this cost structure? Is it a leader? Is there a risk that the highest cost producer can absolutely clobber the business model for the others? So that's one, business risk. And then number two, emotional risk. Like I said, emotional risk is about eliminating your ego, right? I mean, no matter how good an investor you are, if you're Buffett, if you're Brar, if you're Oliver here, we all have an ego, and some of the emotional risks we are all entailed with, and these are simple things that might not you might not look at them right now, say, okay, these are too simple, but actually you'll be surprised if you go through Buffett's letters of the past 20 years, how many times he's made emotional errors. It's very simple emotional errors. So we have a few items on the checklist that actually target your ego, and I mean, of course, you can never kill your ego, but it makes for a better life.